Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is a used 2017 Flagstaff Microlite 25BH. This is a great used travel trailer that's been well taken care of, that's perfect for a family just starting out. You got a couple of kids, you got a half-ton truck. This would be a great starter for you, especially since it's in great shape and everything works. Now, if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos on a used travel trailer, I do about a 3 to 5 minute walkthrough of the entire trailer and talk about it without any sound effects, special effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. Now, this one has a power tongue jack, 2 5-gallon propane tanks, and it already has 2 batteries, and the previous customer also left the weight distribution hitch for the next customer. So one less expense you need to have. So let's take a look at the weight, because obviously that's very important. The dry weight as it sits is 4,917 pounds. The GVWR is 6,623 pounds with 2 3,500-pound axles on 14-inch rims. Now, that means you should have at least a minimum of a 7,000-pound tow capacity in order to tow this travel trailer. It's got awning topper, frameless windows, lots of storage, which I'm not going to open up for time purposes, but there's a lot of exterior storage for being a travel trailer that actually, if you take a tape measure to it, is only 26 feet. Roof ladder, backup cameras already installed, spare tire as well, and you have front and back stabilizers. Now, they're not electric, so a 3/4-inch socket and a cordless drill and you're ready to rock and roll. Big power awning with LED light strip inside. And I love this. If you ever get a chance, make sure you get these for your heater, keep the bugs out. That's the heat exhaust for the furnace. All right, let's go inside. First, I'm going to start with the Murphy bed and show you how it works. Now, you saw it in the laid down position just a few minutes ago. Let's go ahead and lift this thing up, fold in, and push it back. And then what you're going to do, before you lock it in place, you have to put the sofa back in. So that's simple. It works just like a futon. Put it down, and then you can lock the Murphy bed in place. You got closets on both sides, drawers on both sides, and on both sides of the bed / couch, you also have charging areas to plug in your devices. All right, in the dining room area, you have a U-shaped dinette that turns into a bed, full pantry, or in this case, they used it for gaming. That's a pretty cool idea. As you could see that the previous customer put a lot of bowls, plates, cups, etc. above the cabinets above the dinette, or in the cabinets above the dinette. You got a flat screen TV, radio and DVD player. Now, this is actually a counter extension. I didn't open those drawers, but there are 2 drawers underneath. You could see how they use the storage inside this trailer, and you have an extra area for another pantry, microwave, lots of storage for a small little trailer, plus you have a 3-burner stove and a 1-piece sink that has a little divider to it. I could still wash a pot or a pan, a big pot or pan there. Then you got a propane electric refrigerator, your bunk beds, and of course, can't forget about the potty room that also, by the way, has a tub. So not only does it have the shower, it's got the tub along with a linen closet. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, it's $22,000 at Nor's RV in Northern California. Financing is available. If you want more information, you can contact me on social media. That information is in the description box below. And until next time, remember, RV stands for toolkit and sense of humor.